Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News.
The king of melodies, SIZZLA Kalonji, is gearing up to release another album. This time, he says, dedicated fully to the 54 countries which make up the African continent, entitled Africa 54. On Thursday, the artist teased the first song from the album on his Instagram page to the delight of his African fans. This upcoming album takes the Augusttown native closer to the 100 album mark and comes 9 years after he released his 70th album, The Messiah, for which he received a Grammy nomination. SIZZLA's last album was On a High, a 12-track production that was released on Jamaican Independence Day last year. He is by far one of the most prolific reggae and dancehall songwriters, with a catalog of more than 80 albums. He released his first album, Burning Up, in 1996 at the age of 20. In 1994, SIZZLA was awarded the Best International Reggae Artist of the Year by the MOBO Awards. Over the years, SIZZLA has spent a lot of time touring the African continent, performing in various countries. SIZZLA is well loved, especially in Gambia, where on his first visit in 2008, he spent a day with the president of the country, harvesting rice, discussing issues regarding reparations, repatriations, and education, amongst other things. SIZZLA had, back then, also expressed his desire to become an honorary citizen of Gambia and made a commitment to be a musical ambassador for Gambia, as well as serve as a bridge between Gambia and the diaspora. He had also advocated that the president establish a Gambian embassy in Jamaica. In 2012, SIZZLA released an album titled The Gambia. In May 2014, SIZZLA Kalonji was honored by the Gambian government when he performed at a series of events there and served as cultural ambassador for the 11th staging of the Gambian Roots International Festival. In 2019, the government of Jamaica awarded him the Reggae Icon Award for his contributions to the development of the music industry. Thank you for watching.